Good morning, my dear students. Today's topic is pricing process in marketing management. Pricing process. Here we are having 8 different steps in price determination process. Some of the major steps which are involved in price determination process are as follows. Here in price decision process, we are having mainly 8 steps. Those are market segmentation, estimate demand, market share, market mix, estimate of cost, pricing policies, pricing strategies, price structure. Decision on pricing are taken in light of marketing opportunities. Here we are deciding the price factor of product or service in the point of view of marketing opportunities, and we are having very high competition and many other valuable influencing on price factors in marketing. Coming to the first point, market segmentation. Here market segmentation means dividing market into number of parts. It is called market segmentation. Market segmentation. In market segments, marketers will have formed decision on. Here, market segmentation means dividing the market into number of parts. It is called market segmentation. Here, market segmentation is divided into mainly 4 types: demographic, psychographic, behavioral, and geographic. And in market segments, marketer will have some decisions on the type of products to be produced or sold. Here, according to the market segmentation, we want to identify which type of products we want to sell in the market and the kind of service to be rendered. According to the customer preference, we want to find out which type of services they are having need, and the cost of operations to be estimated. Here, the cost of operations in the market should be estimated. The types of customers or market segments should be solved. Here, in market, demographic, psychographic, behavioral, geographical segmentations are there. We are fixing the price according to by these factors in the market. We are fixing the price towards the product and price towards the service in the market by customers' point of view and demand and supply and cost of the product. Here we are fixing the price towards the product, demand of the product and supply of the product, and according to marketing conditions. Estimate demand. Here marketers will estimate the total demand for the product based on sale forecast, channels, opinions, and degree of competition in the market. Here, we want to estimate the market demand, and primarily, here we want to estimate the product demand in the market. Here, all marketers will estimate the demand of product basically in the market, and they will forecast the sales, and they will collect the channels opinions. Here, channels means marketing, distribution channels, and according to degree of competition in the market, they will fix the price of product or service. And prices of comparable rivalable products can be guided as in pricing our products. Here, before fixation price to our products, we want to analyze our competitor products pricings also. After comparison and analysis of competitor or rival products, then we want to fix our product price. We can determine the market potential by trying different prices in different markets. We can know the market value by trying different prices in different markets. Market share. Here, marketers will choose a brand image and design market share on basis of competitive reaction. Here in market, there are high competition of business. So our company is having a very good brand value. We are providing very good services. We are providing very good products in the market. We are having very good brand value. So depending upon the brand value of a product or services, we want to fix the price of the product or service of the product. And we want to analyze our competitive reactions and to give tough competitions to our competitors. We want to fix the price in a very good, reasonable and attractable way. And marketer planners must know exactly what his rivals are charging. Here, for example, we are introducing a product into market. We want to identify what are our competitive or rivals companies are doing. After analyzing our rival or competitive companies, then we want to fix the very good price towards our product. And here, level of competitive pricing enables firm to price above here according to the competition level and quality of the product. We want to fix the price and according to marketing situation, that is low price to of product or high price of product in various situations. Higher initial price may be preferred in case of smaller market share is anticipated, whereas in the expectation of much larger market share for brand, marketer will have to prefer relatively low price. If our product is already launched in the market, having very good reputation, means we are having very less competition. In that condition, we want to afford the price in high. And if our product is new to the market, we want to increase the market share in the market. We want to build up the brand and we want to increase the sales. According to these factors, we want to fix low price of the product. And proper pricing strategy is evolved to reach the expected market share either through skimming price or through penetration price. Here we are having two different strategies, skimming price or penetration price. It is depends upon customer pulse and market situation. That is fair trading, fair prices to cover cost of goods, operating expenses and normal profit margin. Here some fair trading should be there. Business should be very crystal clear and very good prices, very good business will cover the market in a very good manner. And we want to estimate the cost of the goods and we want to estimate the operating expenses and normal profit margin. By studying all these conditions and factors, we want to fix the price in the market. Coming to the fourth point, marketing mix. Here, the overall marketing strategy is based on integrated approach to all elements of marketing mix. Here, according to marketing mix concept, we are having 4 P's. Those are product, price, place, promotion. Here, those factors will cover as product market strategy, promotion strategy, pricing strategy, distribution strategy. Here, we will use these 4 different strategies in marketing mix to fixing the price of the product. If our product is having very good value, reputation in the market, so on basing of the brand value of product, we will fix the price. And if we are having very good promotion strategy, that is nothing but advertising strategy. So many people are attracting by our advertising and they are buying our product, means on basis of advertising promotion strategy also we can fix the price. And coming to the pricing strategy, here the pricing strategy should be based on supply condition, demand condition and customer behavior and customer interest and inflation, deflation. In this slide, we have the various regions and various factors. So after studying all these circumstances only, pricing strategy will fix very good price towards our product or our service. Coming to the distribution channel strategy. Distribution strategy is nothing but it is depending upon the place. Here in marketing channels, we are having several number of distributors. For example, manufacturers, retailers, wholesalers, distributors, dealers, and finally customers. So we want to study all these channels of distribution and marketing intermediaries and how much cost it is happening. So basing upon distribution cost, we want to fix the price of product or service. And fifth important point is estimate of cost. Here, strive cost plus pricing is not desirable always. Here it is not sensitive to demand. Here always cost plus pricing is not at all correct. We want to focus on estimating of the cost. Here, marketing must taken into account all relevant cost. Here, a very good marketer want to focus on all types of relevant cost. How much cost is happening for manufacturing the products, as well as according to the price elasticity of demand, we want to fix the price of the product. Then only we will get huge profits and huge success in the market. Pricing policies. Here we are having different pricing policies in marketing. According to the pricing policies, guidelines to carry out the pricing strategy. Pricing policy may be fixed or flexible. Here, sometimes we will fix the product price and sometimes we will fix the product price in a flexible manner according to the marketing situation, means demand and supply and customers' preference. We will change the product price, and pricing policies must change and adopt themselves with changing objectives. Here we want to adopt the pricing policies and we want to change the prices and adopt the new prices with changing the objectives and changing the marketing environment. And coming to the pricing strategies. Here, strategy is a plan of action. Here, strategy means it is a plan of action. Here, strategy is a plan of action to adjust with changing condition of marketplace. And according to the marketplace, the strategy will be different. Here, suppose we are doing business in rural areas, we are doing the business in urban areas. So according to the marketplace, we want to change our plan. Then only we will be success in the market. And new and unanticipated developments such as price cut by rivals. Here, sometimes our competitors and rival companies will reduce the prices of product. Then it will affect towards our product. Then we want to reduce our product price also. And according to the government regulations and economical decisions also, we want to change the prices. See, there is a change in the consumer's demand and economical recession, inflation, deflation, drought condition, and COVID period. So by analyzing these situations and marketing situations, we want to change the product prices and may takes place and then changes all for special attention and relevant adjustment in the pricing policies and producers. By studying all these circumstances only, we will fix a very good price towards our product or service in the market. Price structure. Developing the price structure on basis of pricing policies. We are developing the pricing structure on the basis of pricing policies, and strategy is the final step in the price determination prices. Here, strategy is the final step in price determination prices. The price structure will now define the selling price for all products and permissible discounts and allowances to be given to distributors, co-dealers, as well as various types of buyers. Here, we want to identify the behavior of different buyers, and we want to focus on distributors and core dealers strategy, and we want to follow the pricing structure and selling prices. By this only we will fix the price of the product or price of the service in the market. Thank you, my dear students. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.